That was friggin' epic.
Glad to have you along for the ride.
Oh hey, thanks for stopping by. I was just cleaning up the garage again, if you know what I mean. My name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way, where we are all about the power sports world, riding, maintenance, and repairs. Today I wanted to talk about my ATV, but before I get into that, I just wanted to let you out there know that I started this YouTube channel just over a year ago. Today we are just over 400 subscribers and growing. Thank you for the continued support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? If you're not yet sure about subscribing, why don't you check out some of my other videos. And if you like the content, subscribe, click the notification bell so you do not miss anything. Alright, let's get into the rest of the video. This is my 2013 Polaris Sportsman 850 HO XP Adventures This Way edition. So I got this ATV just over a year ago. Actually, a little bit less than a year ago that I got it. When did I get it? June? Yeah, it was near the end of June. Anyways, let's give you a quick rundown of what it looks like there now. So we've been running the Cryptid tires, and they call them 30 by 9 by 14. But everybody in the world knows they're not 30 inches. They measure just over 28 and a quarter. On a good day. Yeah. You know what? They work really well. I really do like how they work. They ride nice on the hard pack. No complaints there. The really only complaints I have, they're not tall enough. They're not tall enough for the riding I do, the areas that I do. What are you going to do? You got to go bigger, really. I'm now running the System 3 off-road. I can't remember the name of these. Simulated beadlock wheels. We're really liking them. They really changed the look. So we got them all the way around. I've looked at a few different options for storage. I've got this here Princess Auto or Harbor Freight Special. It's on sale, $50. Got it mounted on there pretty well. It works awesome. Keeps everything dry. Lots of room. And I can add a few other things on if I want. The bumper is really not working out so good. I like it. It just keeps getting caught and getting bent. So we're gonna have to come up with a better solution than that. We've got an RJWC Mud Edition exhaust. It sounds loud, it sounds wicked. We've also got some changes here in the back.
Here we have a Checo Racing rear diff brace. Shout out goes to a local fella named Michael. He ended up with an extra set. Figured I could use it after watching some of my videos. Thanks again, Michael. Hopefully we'll be able to get out for a ride.
You know, the biggest downfall Polaris setup is this 1.25 inch receiver back here. Like, that's just stupid. Made some changes on the A-arms back here. Stock axles in the rear.
And yes, I'm liking the lift. Now, up front is the newest change. A custom rad relocate by Rubber Down Customs, a Canadian company. Check them out. They can do all kinds of cool things to customize your ride. Well, I think it turned out really well. Kind of sexy and kind of a little bit meaner looking as well. Now let's discuss the snorkel setup. It's now been moved to the center, the optimum position. I started with the Snorkel Your ATV kit with the Warrior riser, as I had never snorkeled a machine before. But I quickly realized that this setup was less than desirable. Performance-wise, their kit works. There's no lack of power or belt overheating issues. However, the installation instructions are vague and subpar. I have made several modifications and hopefully there will be no more issues with a wet belt.
This is what I don't like about the circles on the side, I'll tell you that.
The seat is comfy. The seating position works great for me. Downfall is in deep enough water, it will float away.
What? Watch your seat doesn't float away, Don.
It also soaks up a lot of water. I am also happy with the size of the floorboards. The floorboards are nice and wide so that when you're in deep water or you're in a tricky situation, there's lots of room to move around the machine and to position your feet and or legs, knees, wherever you need them.
Okay, that was fun. Look at my bike. Look at it. Look at it. Holy frig.